How to sign up for happn. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for happn on your mobile device. So to do that, first of all, download the happn app and then simply open it on your mobile device. Now once you've done that, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where in order to sign up, it will basically provide you two different options. You can either continue with your Google account or you can continue with your Facebook account. So choose the one which is most convenient to you, and once you've done that, simply tap on it. After that, you'll have to accept their terms of service, so simply tap on the option accept conditions and then do the same for your data and privacy as well. Now you'll have to choose a Google account from which you want to sign up, so choose the one you'd like. And now here you'll have to enter your first name and then tap on the option continue. After that, select your date of birth. Now once you've selected your date of birth, tap on the option OK. After that, tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to select your gender, so simply enter it over here and then tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to select who you'd like to meet, so once you do that, tap on the option continue again. And now you'll have to add your best photos, so to add them, simply tap on this plus icon right over here and then it will basically provide you two different options. You can either choose a photo from your library or you can take a photo. Now whichever one you choose, you'll have to allow and then select the photo. Now once you've added a photo, tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, if you want, you can certify your profile, but if you don't, you can tap on the option later. And then you'll have to choose what you are looking for on happn. So it may be a relationship, nothing serious, or I'll know when I find out. Once you've done that, tap on the option continue. And then you'll have to enter your height. Now once you've done that, tap on the option confirm. After that, you'll have to select your exercise habit, and if you want, you can simply skip this process. And you can do the same for all of these as well. So for now, I'll simply skip them. Now they will have to access your location, so simply allow your location, and there you have it. That is basically how you create a happn account or sign up for happn. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.